Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the puzzle transition tutorial on VN Video Editor. So here I've already on VN, so what you guys need to do is click on the plus icon and start a new project and choose two videos. So in this case, I'm using these two videos. And then here, go to the second video. And I'm going to full screen. Okay, so on this part right here, I'm going to take a screenshot. Oops. And then I'm going to remove the background of the screenshot. I'm using the Epic photo editor. So if you have any other apps to remove the background, you can use it, any apps that you want. So I'm going to select the photo. Okay, so I'm going to crop it first, like this, and I'm going to go to cut shapes, and I'm going to just go to outline and choose this part right here. Okay, so just click on the check icon, and here is the result. I'm going to save it and then go back to the end. Okay, so in here, oops, add the photo that you've been removed the background before. So in this one right here, just click on this, tap to add sticker and choose video or photo and choose the previous photo, this one's right here, and then click on fit to fit in the positions. And after that, I'm going to go to this and I'm going to split the overlay. Okay, so in here I'm going to split it and delete this part. Okay, so here click on the overlay and add keyframes and drag it until the bottom like this, and then go to the end of the overlay and add another keyframes. Oops. Add another keyframe and drag it back. Oops. Drag it back to the previous position like this. So okay, I'm going to drag it like so, and yeah, let's see the result. Okay, so that is the puzzle transition on VN. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.